Hello guys, welcome back. Today is waxing day and it never gets easy. Oops. Yeah, so this is the result and I really love the way my armpits are looking like. So let's start the video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So this is how you prepare your wax. If you don't have the waxing machine, the melting one, so you just put the wax in a bowl like you can see, then put in a hot sufuria, and this is how it should look like. And then you apply using a spatula. I hope that, yeah, using a spatula you just scoop some and then you apply on your armpit. I didn't have powder and therefore I had to wax because the armpits were not looking so good. So after applying, you give it some few minutes for it to dry up. Then it's time to pull, and it's never easy. It never gets easy. Always there is that pain, kind of a discomfort. Ooh. Yeah, yes, that's it. Yeah, so you pull. If it cuts off, you pull the rest, then reapply. If there is still hair that has been left, you just reapply, give the wax some few minutes to dry, and then after that you pull it off. So as you pull, it comes out with the hair, and it's so easy. As the more you do it, the more you become a pro, and the more you know how to apply it, when, and all of that. Yeah, so here I'm gaining courage so that I can be able to pull it, because I know it's gonna be painful. It's gonna be not that painful, but there is a way in which it feels. Yeah, forgive my long face, like I'm so serious doing this. Can you say that? Yeah, so we are going to be reapplying the wax each and every time until all the hair is out. Then remove all the wax. Definitely as you pull, it comes out with the hair, but there's still some hair that might not get off, and therefore that means that you reapply the wax. It becomes so easy, and after you are done, you don't even remember the pain that you felt while you are pulling out. Okay, yeah, so mine, I think it took so long to get off all the hair this time loud, so I had to apply, reapply, and all that. I had to ensure that the armpits are clean, like clean. Okay, yeah, so that's why I was applying and reapplying. My wax is still in the hot sufuria with hot water, then the basin is still there to ensure that it's not getting cold, because once it gets cold, it means that it's not going to be easy to apply it and it will not be helpful. So if it gets cold, just take the sufuria back to warm the water. As the water gets warm, it also means that the wax will also be melting. But to avoid all that, just put the sufuria and the hot water near you, the basin inside, and therefore as you scoop, it means that the wax in that basin is still in the hot water, and getting cold is not easy. Okay, can you see the hair that has come out? So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe. And if you have loved this video, I'll leave in the description box the other videos I have done on waxing so that you can enjoy. So after waxing, you wipe off all the wax, and then after that you apply your moisturizer. For me, I'm using my face serum to apply on my armpits, because there is a way in which I want these armpits to, the dark hyperpigmentation to get off, all the dark color. Yeah, so thank you for being here. Bye. This was the result, and I really love the way my armpits are changing. So bye. Don't forget to subscribe.